Oh wow!
Okay, okay. Okay, out of all places, does it have to be this day? Oh, do you see that? There's a lion. There's a smoke lion. It's coming.
Okay, so this is it. We all know some people mistakenly that the Taal volcano is that volcano that we are seeing in front. Yeah, the small one. But actually that's not it. The big crater volcano is at the back where you can see the smoke right now that is coming out, and you can see the big pile of smoke up there because of the eruption
There's
that
a
has
ring. Don't you see the ring over there?
that happened.
What? You don't see the ring?
All right.
Look there. Look there. There's a ring.
There are also some lightnings we just saw right now, and this is in Tagaytay,
Butterfly.
in
Look at
Taal
that.
volcano
bird.
having some eruption right now, and we are seeing the whole of Taal, and there are ashes. This is spewing out, and it's getting big, and like that. Okay, so this you can see, you can hear the thunderstorm actually, and look at this cloud. This look at that cloud.
It's
Yeah.
only a 1% chance of getting struck by light. I mean, there's an 80% chance of getting. Quiet.
Where's your phone? Can you bring it out?
You need money. You need money. You need a penny. Hey, do you wanna check out some silver?
It was very calm this morning, although there are some, yes, there are some mild earthquakes that has occurred, and we didn't mind about it actually, and we didn't know that
comes out of the sky.
that this will happen. And as you can see, the volcano is having some, what do you call this thing? All right, look, see that big pile of clouds on top.
At the bottom. Scary stuff. It looks like the Northern Lights, but with clouds.
Right, that's right. I wonder what happened to the visitors down there who went to see the crater. It was so quiet this morning. We didn't notice
Well,
that.
once that's done, all of them are turned into stone.
Oops! See the sunlight?